Jumu'ah, Friday prayer, holds great significance in Islam for several reasons. 1. Special day for Muslims. Friday, known as Yawm al-Jumu'ah, Day of Gathering, is considered the holiest day of the week. It is a day of spiritual reflection, prayer, and community. 2. The Jumu'ah, prayer. Muslims gather for the congregational prayer around midday, which is a replacement for the regular Dhuhr prayer on Fridays. The Jumu'ah prayer includes a sermon, Khutbah, followed by a 2-unit prayer, Rak'ah, in congregation. 3. Spiritual benefits. Attending Jumu'ah helps purify the heart and soul. It provides an opportunity for Muslims to renew their faith, ask for forgiveness, and reflect on Allah's blessings. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said that Friday is the best day of the week, and on this day sins are forgiven for those who attend the Jumu'ah prayer with sincerity. 4th, unity of the Ummah. Jumu'ah serves as a weekly gathering that brings Muslims together in worship and community. This fosters a sense of unity and brotherhood as Muslims meet regularly to pray and engage in spiritual and social activities. 5. Listening to the Khutbah. The Khutbah is a sermon delivered by the Imam, which offers moral and spiritual guidance. It reminds the congregation of their duties toward Allah, society, and one another, reinforcing the principles of justice, charity, and kindness. 6. A time for supplication. Friday is also considered a day when special supplications are accepted. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, mentioned that there is a moment on Friday when Allah grants the wishes of his believers. This makes it a day for Muslims to make personal prayers. 7. Significance in the Quran. Allah commands Muslims to leave off trade and business activities when the call for Jumu'ah prayer is heard. The Quran states, "O you who have believed, when the call to prayer is made on the day of Jumu'ah, then proceed to the remembrance of Allah and leave trade." Surah Al-Jumu'ah 62:9. In summary, Jumu'ah is important because it provides an opportunity for spiritual growth, strengthens the sense of community, and serves as a reminder of one's obligations to Allah and society. It is a day for worship, reflection, and seeking forgiveness.